Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss limit of rational function. Right. Last lecture I discussed limit of some polynomials. So today I will discuss the limit of rational functions. Okay. So let me start. See this limit of rational function. Limit of rational function. Right. This one. Limit of rational function. Okay. So if any function is like this, fx is a polynomial over polynomial, polynomial a la polynomial. So this function is called rational function. Okay, rational function, right? So today I will find the limit of rational function, right? So let me start from here. From example, find the limit of this function. Find the limit of this function. X goes to 4, x square minus x minus 12 divided by x minus 4. It is a rational function. Why? Because polynomial a la polynomial. Polynomial over polynomial. So how to find the limit? Last lecture I explained you. That if here x goes to 4, if x goes to 4, if x is having 4 plugged in this, then what will happen? Tahat. So let me solve here. You have to find this limit. See this example, solution of this example. Example is this. Find this limit. X goes to 4, x square minus x minus 12 and divided by x minus 4, this one. Okay, so first you check here, you put x equal to 4, put here tahat, then what will be tahat? Tahat will be this, x sawi arba yani, here arba salib arba yani sifar. So tahat is sifar, it means here problem. If tahat is sifar yani mushkila, there is issue. Okay, now so here fog is what? X tarbiya yani 4 tarbiya and minus x yani 4 and minus 12. Fog kamiji 4 tarbiya yani 16 and salib arba and salib with nas, and here mojud sifar. So this will be sifar ala sifar. Okay, this form sifar ala sifar. Okay, so last lecture I told you, whenever is sifar ala sifar, then there is rule. Okay, there is rule to solve this question. So what is the rule here? Let me solve this. Look here, how to solve? See the solution. Limit x goes to 4 square minus x minus 12 and divided by x minus 4. Okay, so here problem is this: if you plug in x is 4, so you will get this sifar ala sifar. Tahat is sifar and fog is sifar. This sifar ala sifar. This is problem mushkila. If tahat is sifar and fog is tahat is sifar, then problem. Then check fog. If fog is also sifar, then you have to solve this question. That is the rule. What you do? You will make factor. You know factor? Factor this. So you will write this way. लिमिट x goes to 4. Here मौजूद x तरबिया सालिब x सालिब इतनास. Okay, so here you will make factor x, here this, and here x, and here. Okay, and here मौजूद तहत मौजूद x minus 4. Okay, so you will make factor and then cancel. Is the rule? If this question is this, if x is 4, plug in the function, and if you get this 0 ala 0, then what will you do? You will make factor and बाद में cancel. See, هنا तहत मौजूद x minus 4, तहत मौजूद x minus 4, then here लाजिम इजी one factor लाजिम इजी x minus 4, one लाजिम इजी x minus 4. Okay, but hina what is here? You have to check. Then how to check this? How to make factor? Look here. Let me write here. See the rule. How to make factor? See this rule. I am taking here. See, hina come. Hina salib itnas. Salib itnas uktu hina. Salib itnas here. And here come. Hina come. Salib wahid. Salib wahid. Hina wahid mawjud. Wahid mawjud here. Salib wahid uktu here. Salib wahid uktu here. Hina mawjud salib itnas. And hina mawjud salib wahid. So please salib itnas here. And salib wahid here. And then this salib itnas break into two part. Salib itnas break in two part. Okay, so can you write this? Salib itna salib arba darb salib talata. Salib arba and darb mojab talata. Kamiji. Salib arba and darb salib talata. Egypt itnas. And then shufada. Salib arba and Zayed mojab talata. Kamiji. Hada iji. Salib wahid iji. Okay. So look, first you see this salib itnas. Salib itnas break in two numbers. Okay. So salib itnas yani salib arba darb mojab talata. Iji salib itnas. Right? And badan shufada. Salib arba and Zayed talata. Lazim iji hada. Salib arba and Zayed talata iji hada. Salib wahid. It means these two numbers are okay. Salib arba mojab talata okay. So salib arba uktub hina and mojab talata uktub hina. Hada factor. This way you will do factor. Do you understand this? Do you understand this? Yes. This way you will make factor. Right. Now look, after factor, so hina mojud x minus 4 and that mojud x minus 4 cancel. Baden factor cancel. Okay. Here this is the rule. Awal factor and baden cancel. Baden after that come easy. After that easy. This is our limit. X goes to 4. Hina kam bagi x plus talata. Hada bagi x plus talata. And baden x plus talata is easy hada polynomial. Hina maafi tahat. So x is 4. Plug in here. So x is 4 yani 4 and zalata. Come. Hada 7. Hada answer. Limit is saba. Okay. So whenever if this type of question, rational function, then shuf tahat, if you plug x is 4 here tahat, then tahat is sifar. If tahat is sifar, then mushkila. Tahat is sifar, then mushkila. Badan plug in here fog, and fog is also sifar. Sifar ala sifar. Then remember, whenever sifar ala sifar, then what to do? Factor like this, and baden cancel. Factor and cancel, and baden put x is 4. Then you will get answer. Right? Do you understand this? Yes. Very good. Clear. Yes. Okay. Now come to the next question. Look over here. So this is 7, right? Now see, one question is here. This one. This matched problem. Find the following limits. Okay, number A here and number B here. Okay, so let me solve this. First, number A. Hal number A. Limit x goes to A. X तरबिया सालिब वाहिद आला x सालिब वाहिद. Okay, so let me solve number A. So look over here. See this. Number A. Find this limit. X goes to वाहिद. X तरबिया सालिब वाहिद आला x सालिब 1. See the solution. How to solve this? First, you check here. If you plug in x goes to wahid, x goes to wahid, plug in here. X is wahid. So tahat kam is tahat is 0. So x wahid hina, so wahid salib wahid, yani sifar. Tahat is sifar, right? And hina kam. If you plug in x is wahid here, so wahid tarbiya yani wahid. वाहिद तरबिया यानी वाहिद एंड वाहिद साली वाहिद कम अगेन इजी सिफर आला सिफर. So again मुश्किला, again issue. Okay, तहत इजी 0 and fog इजी also 0. This is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. هذا शक्ल 0 by 0. If you plug in x सावी वाहिद आला tool in the function, you will get this 0 आला 0, and that is problem. If तहत इजी 0 and fog इजी 0. Whenever tahat is 0, then check if tahat is 0 and fog is 0, then 0 by 0, it's problem. Mushkila. Then use the rule. And what is the rule I told you? Factor. Factor. So see this. How to factor this? Limit x goes to wahid. Here mawjood x tarbiya sali wahid and Allah x minus 1. Okay. How to factor this? First you let me write here the rule. You will factor like this. Limit x goes to 1. This x tarbiya sali wahid, you can write this. X tarbiya sali wahid tarbiya. Wahid yani wahid tarbiya, no problem. You can write this. And tahat mawjood x minus 1. And this equal to limit x goes to 1. X tarbiya sali wahid tarbiya yani x zayed 1, 1 hada, and tani factor hada, x plus x minus 1. This one. And divided by x minus 1. How to get this factor? I have used here this rule. See the rule. Do you know this? Do you know this? A tarbiya salib B tarbiya. This how we come. A zayed B and here salib B. Do you know this rule? Hada? A tarbiya salib B tarbiya yusawi A zayed B, A zayed B, A salib B. So hina shuf hina. A yusawi kam hina. A yusawi x. Hada. And B yusawi kam? B yusawi wahid. Okay. So here A tarbiya and salib B tarbiya. A yusawi x and B yusawi wahid. So hina easy kam. A zayed B. A zayed B yani x zayed wahid. And hina easy A salib B. A minus B. Okay. So hina easy x minus 1. Because A yusawi x and B yusawi wahid. And nafso hada A tarbiya yani hina x tarbiya and hina B tarbiya yani hina wahid tarbiya. Okay. So use this rule. Use this rule. Okay. And after that, so tahat mawjood x minus 1 and fog mawjood x minus 1 cancel. Oval factor and baden cancel. Okay. Now look here. Limit x goes to 1. Come bagi. Bagi hina x plus 1. Bagi here x plus 1. So this equal to, now plug in. X is 1. Plug in here. So x is 1 yani 1 and plus 1 is equal to 2. This is answer. Is equal to 2. This is answer. Right? Yes. Yes, Muhammad Ali, Mustafa. Yes. Okay. So this way. First you, if any question, if rational function polynomial ala polynomial, and if you put the limit ala tool and then use 0 ala 0, then use this kanun awal factor and then cancel the same terms, cancel and then put the limit, you will get answer. Okay, this is the rule. Now see the next question. Next question here, next question is this. What is next question? We check here. Next question is x square, number B, x square plus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6. Find this limit. X square plus x minus 6. Here it is. Number B is this. Find this limit. Limit x goes to 2. X square plus x minus 6 and divided by x minus 2. Now look here, again here. First you plug in x isavi 2 in the function. X isavi 2. Here 2. So hina kamiji 2 salib 2. 2 salib 2 yani sifar. Tahat iji sifar. Okay. So whenever tahat iji sifar, there is problem, mushkila, issue. Okay. Because you cannot divide by 0. Then put this x isavi 2 here. 2 tarbiya yani 4 and plus 2 and salib 6. Hada kam. This is come sifar ala sifar. Again sifar ala sifar. This form. So again this sifar ala sifar. Again mushkila, issue. Then how to solve this? We will solve like this. Factor. Limit x goes to 2. X tarbiya plus x salib 6 ala x salib itnen. Factor hada. Okay. So here how to factor this here? X, this is quadratic equation, x tarbiya. Tarbiya any factor like this. And here x and here. Okay. So look here. Here mojud x goes to 2 and here mojud x goes to 2 yani here x minus 2. X minus 2. So here one factor lazim x minus 2. One lazim x minus 2. But hada come. Check it. By using the rule above, I discussed the rule hada awal. Check this way. Hina kamiji, hina iji salib sitta. So salib sitta uktub here. And hina kamiji mojab wahid hina iji. So mojab wahid uktub here. Salib sitta uktub this. Salib sitta uktub this. Talata and zayed salib itnain. Talata and darb. Talata darb salib itnain kam. Salib sitta. And talata salib itnain kam iji wahid. It means this talata and salib itnain. Sir, these two numbers are okay. Talata darb salib itnain yani kamiji salib sitta. And talata salib itnain kamiji mojab wahid. It means these two numbers okay. So hina salib itnain uktub here and baden hada kam mojab talata. So mojab talata uktub here. Class. And baden cancel. Awal factor baden cancel. Here x minus 2 and tahat x minus 2 cancel. Come bagi here. Limit x goes to 2, x plus 3. Hada bagi. Right? Now x goes to 2. Yani x isabi 2 plug in here. This equal to come 2 plus 3. And this isabi 5. Right? So answer is 5. Right? Yes. So this way you will find. Now come to the next question. Check this. Is okay? Any problem here? If any problem, then ask me. No. Okay. So now come to the next question. No problem. Then come to the next question. Right. Come to the question. After that, look over here. Find this. See this example. Find هذا. Example. Limit h goes to 0 and بعدين هذا 3 plus h تربيع سالب 9 على h. How to find this? So let me explain here. See this. Whenever you put this, h goes to 0. So هنا موجود h تحت كم يجي؟ تحت يجي 0 هذا. And فوق كم؟ h goes to 0 يعني هذا h 0 باقي كم؟ 3 تربيع يعني 9 الموجود هنا سالب 9 كم يجي؟ هذا يجي 0 على 0 again مشكلة. Okay. So هذا مشكلة. After that what to do? After that use this कानून. See the fog here. هنا कम मौजूद? هنا मौजूद 3 plus h तरबिया. Okay. So 3 plus h तरबिया यानी do you know this? a तरबिया sorry a जायद b तरबिया. a जायद b इस तरबिया यसावी कम a तरबिया. Okay. जायद b तरबिया and जायद इतने दर b. Okay. So كيف اكتب a तरबिया زائد b तरबिया. So هنا a يساوي 3 and b يساوي كم h. So a तरबिया यानी h तरबिया. Okay. and بعدين b तरबिया यानी this 9 3 plus h यानी you can write this way 3 plus h यानी h plus 3 هذا तरबिया هذا same. तो كيف اكتب هذا a يساوي h and b يساوي كم 3. So this is h तरबिया هنا a तरबिया यानी h तरबिया b तरबिया بعدين زائد هنا اثنين ضرب ab a यानी h and b यानी 3. So هذا كم يجي h तरबिया plus 9 and plus 2 ضرب 3 यानी 6 h يجي هذا. Okay. So هنا يجي this. See this. هذا يجي and هنا موجود سالب 9 هنا سالب 9. Okay. بعدين सिल मुश्तरक आम هنا موجود h sorry هذا كم see this هنا موجود زائد 9. let me explain here, you will confuse here. 3 plus h. See this. Let me explain here. This is the question. See this limit. Example is this. Limit h goes to 0. Here मौजूद h plus b तरबिया and सालिब 9 هذا. Okay. And divided by h. This is question. So now you plug in h يساوي 0. h 0 so هذا كم يجي تحت h 0 यानी تحت يجي 0. and fog here هذا h 0 यानी बाकी 3 तरबिया यानी 9 and هنا موجود सालिब هذا موجود सालिब 9. so this will be 0. so يجي 0 على 0 again 0 على 0 هنا मुश्किल. Okay. Then how to solve this? See the solution. solve like this. H goes to 0. Hina मौजूद H plus 3 Tarbia and Salib Tissa. Okay. Ala Talata. So here, so Hina मौजूद H that Talata Tarbia मौजूद. So awal open this. Awal open this. And how to open? Let me explain. I will use this rule here. I will use this rule. A plus B तरबिया यसावी कम ए तरबिया जायद बी तरबिया एंड जायद इतने दर्ब ए बी. I will use this कानून here. So now look, हिना H यानी A यानी H and B यानी तलाता and बादन तरबिया. So क्या फुक्तु here? Limit H goes to 0. See this. अव्वल A तरबिया यानी here A तरबिया यानी H तरबिया and बादन जायद हिना कम बी तरबिया यानी तलाता तरबिया and बादन जायद इतनेन हिना and दर्ब कम ए दर्ब बी यानी H दर्ब तलाता H यानी A and B यानी तलाता and हिना बागी सालिब तिस्सा हिना मौजूद इजी हिना H. Now look this. What will happen? Limit H goes to 0. Here H tarbiya plus tissa and plus itnen dar talata ya nisitta H and hina baki salib tissa. Okay. Hina H mawjood. So now look. Hina mawjud tissa and salib tissa cancel. Mawjud tissa and salib tissa cancel. Okay. Baden come easy. Easy hada. Limit H goes to 0. Hina मौजूद H तरबिया and plus सित्ता H. Okay. Then what to do? After that, see this. Here मौजूद Hina मौजूद H and Hina मौजूद H. Okay. So वाहिद H seal मुश्तरक आम. Okay. So here limit H goes to 0. H mean Hina. Wahid H here. Seal barra mushtarak. Okay. So Hina kam bagi. Hina bagi Wahid H. And plus Hina bagi bas sitta. So and Tahat kam mawjood? Tahat mawjood H. Right. So this H and this H cancel. Baden kam easy. Baden easy Hina limit H goes to 0, right? Hina bagi H plus 6. Okay. Baden put this H is H equal to 0. Ada H sifar and plus sitta. Ada come. This is 6. Ada answer. Right? This is answer. Yes. Okay. So awal use here. In the question मौजूद H plus talata tarbiya. So use this कानून. Awal use this कानून. आधा H plus talata tarbiya. Use this कानून and open. Then you will get this. You will get this here. And salib tissa मौजूद already ही ना. Salib tissa. Okay. And बादेन मौजूद tissa salib tissa cancel. And बादी ही ना. If Hina is H sifar, Hina H sifar and Hina H sifar, then again it is sifar ala sifar. Then what to do? This H and this H seal mushtarak here. So Tahat H mawjood and here fog H mawjood here. This cancel. Then bagi H plus 6. H plus 6 ada bagi. And akhir put this H equal to 0. Then bagi Hina. 0 plus 6 is 6. This way. Okay. So whenever, if you are finding the limit of a rational function, then check. If you put ala tool number in the function, if tahat is sifar, then mushkila. And then so fog is sifar ala sifar, then use this rule, factor then cancel, then put limit, then you will get answer. Okay, now see the another. Now come to the next question. To the next. Where is the next? Okay, so this is 6. Now find this one. See this question. Example. Limit h goes to 7, and here come jadar x plus 2 and salib talata and ala x salib talata. This one. Okay. Then how to find the limit of this? Right? How to find the limit of this? So let me explain this. X goes to 7, right? Question is this. Limit x goes to 7. This one, I will find this new limit now. Limit x goes to 7, jadar x plus 2, salib talata ala x minus 7, right? X plus 2 minus 3. Say this. I will solve here. Yeah, I will solve this here. Question is this. This is the example. Find this limit. X goes to 7, jadar x plus 2 and minus 3. Here minus 3. So, ahead come x minus 7. Okay. Then again look over here. Awal, first you plug in x isavi 7. X isavi 7. So awal check tahat. Every time you check tahat first. Tahat. If tahat is sifar, then problem. If tahat mafi is sifar, then no problem. Okay. So x isavi 7 here. So come is 7 salib 7 yani sifar. So tahat is sifar yani mushkila. Issue. There is problem. Okay. So tahat is arada. If you put ala tool, tahat is sifar. And fog come in a x yani saba and zaid itnain come tissa and jadar tissa come jadar tissa yani talata and hina mawjud salib talata. So come is hada is sifar ala sifar again issue sifar ala sifar again problem. Okay. So now here how to solve? This is the question. How to solve here, right? Okay. So you know the previous questions, what I did, factor and then cancel, factor and cancel. But here see the fog mawjud jadar, hada mafi polynomial. This is jadar mawjud. Okay. Then how to solve here? See what is kanun here? Jadar mawjud, x goes to 7. Then how to solve here? X plus 2 jadar here and minus 3 and ala x minus 7 here. Here what you do? Hina sil dar. See what I do. If jadar mawjud, then you take conjugate of this. So hina fog. Hina mawjud salib, hina salib. So this hina salib mawjud, sil opposite sign. मुख्तलिफ साइन यानी मोजब. उक्तब हादा दर जदर x plus 2 hina sil zayed talata and nafsu here jadar x plus 2 okay and zayed talata darb hada okay कामिल दर here hina मौजूद सालिब तलाता तो सिल मुख्तलिफ कंजुगेट यानी साइन चेंज इशारा चेंज हिना सालिब मौजूद सो हिना सिल मोजब. So jadar x plus 2 mojab talata and tahat same. Jadar x plus 2 jad talata and dar kamil hada dar. Baden dar. So how to dar here? Look over here. See this. Kamiri hina. This is Savi. Limit x goes to 7. Right? See. Awal dar tahat. Hina मौजूद x सालिब सबा and dar kamil dar hada kamil jadar x plus 2 and zayed talata hina okay hada and baad darb hina. So awal darb jadar x plus 2 darb jadar x plus 2 kam jadar x plus 2 awal this darb hada darb this and baad hada darb this and baad this talata okay and baden salib talata darb this hada this way. So jadar x plus 2 darb jadar x plus 2 kam x plus 2 jadar x plus 2 darb jadar x plus 2 यानी जदर जदर कैंसिल बागी कम बागी x plus 2 and baden hada jadar x plus 2 darb mojab talata kami ji jadar x plus 2 darb mojab talata kami ji zahir talata darb jadar x plus 2 hina and baden so talata darb jadar x plus 2 kami ji सालिब तलाता हिना सालिब तलाता मौजूद सालिब तलाता दर्ब जदर x plus 2 कमी जी सालिब तलाता दर्ब जदर x plus 2 okay and बादेन हादा सालिब तलाता दर्ब मौजब तलाता कम सालिब तलाता दर्ब मौजब तलाता सालिब तलाता दर्ब तलाता यानी तलाता तरबिया तिस्सा okay this one is this. Understand or not? Yes, 9. After that, look here. After that, see this. Zayed talata jadar x2 and salib talata jadar x plus 2. Nafso. So this cancel. Badal kam easy. Easy this. Limit x goes to 7. Hina mawjud x plus 2 and hina mawjud salib tissa. Hada salib tissa. Okay. And tahat मौजूद x plus x minus 7 and darb hada and x plus 2 and zayed talata hada मौजूद. Now this is how we come. Sufina zayed itnain and salib tissa kam zayed itnain salib tissa x goes to 7 zayed itnain and salib tissa kam x salib saba and कम मौजूद तहत मौजूद x सालिब 7 हादा and here darb jadar x plus 2 and zayed talata right. So look here x सालिब 7 and तहत मौजूद x सालिब 7 cancel बादल कम बागी after that hina bagi limit x goes to 7 fog bagi wahid and tahat kam jadar x plus 2 hina zayed talata baden put this baden sil hada x isawi 7 here so hina mawjud wahid and tahat kam if hina x isawi 7 plug in x isawi 7 so jadar 7 zayed itnain kam tissa So this is the जदर 7 plus इतने here and هنا موجود زائد 3. So this is a واحد على जदर 9 यानी 3 and هنا موجود 3. So this is how we come واحد على 6. هذا answer واحد على 6. Right? Now look here. In the kullu here lazim hina uktub limit x goes to 7. Hina uktub limit x goes to 7. Hina uktub limit x goes to 7. When akhir x yusawi saba put here, then hina limit cancel. Hina mafi limit. Okay. When you put x yusawi 7 you put in the question, then limit class. Hina mafi limit. Baden hada answer. Okay. Whenever you put x yusawi 7, then माफी उक्तुब limit बादें, right? Yes. So today I will stop here. If you have any question, then ask me. Do you have any question? Muhammad Hamdu. Yes, Abdul Wahid. If only the denominator is 0, okay? If the head 0 and fog maafi 0, fog number, okay? Number ala sifar yani limit, mostly cases limit does not exist, okay? Limit does not exist. Maafi maujood. Abdul Wahid, understand? Yes. Last lecture I told you. But if it is 0 or a 0, then there is rule. Awal factor. If fog मौजूद polynomial and तहत मौजूद polynomial, then factor and बाद में cancel and then put limit. But if मौजूद जदर and 0 or a 0 easy and मौजूद जदर, then use this कानून, the last one. Okay, दर, right? So today I will stop here. If you have any question, then ask me. Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Mamdo Ali. Zoom out. Muhammad, you can zoom out also at your screen also you can zoom out. Okay. Here already I have zoom. Very zoom here. So do you have any question here?